YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, I am on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. That was my alarm clock right there. Oh man, I've been so busy today, guys, running around like crazy. We're gonna talk about some crypto today, but before we get into it, just gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Got to go off and do your own research. A lot of things happening in crypto again today, as you guys could see. Total market cap coming in at up 1.3 or 1.73. Our total fear greed index coming in at a 20. Bitcoin coming in at 85. Right, rejecting off that 86 again today. Are we gonna see Bitcoin start ripping above it? That's what everybody kind of wants to know, I guess. We were talking about the fact that we could possibly have a rising wedge forming here. I said that earlier. It does look like we decided that we wanted to break out of it, but again, not out of the woods on Bitcoin yet. We still have some big resistance coming up, as well as we are still creating this rising wedge right now, and that is going to create some fear in the market, even though, again, it does look like we could possibly also have some kind of double bottom happening on the one day. Again, this thing starting to see a little bit of rejection, right? This could possibly cause a little bit of sell-off in the market. I'm definitely paying attention to this. We talked about it earlier last time when we rejected right here and we went down, and I was saying, yikes, that was not good, right? Well, we're doing it again, and I'm just wondering, are we going to stay in between this counter channel and continue this uptrend, or again, are we going to see a rejection of the zone? Are we going to start retesting some lows? If we do decide that we want to start retesting this 84 range, there's a pretty good chance that we break down right back down into the 80 range again and delete all those gains that we made late in last week. We do talk about the fact that a lot of the time we do see sell-off happen also into the weekend, so we did see a little bit of price pump today. I'm wondering, are we going to see a little bit of sell-off tomorrow? What's going to happen in the market? Let's talk a little bit about Toshi too, as well. As you guys can see, Toshi coming in at number 4 and seeing some big price action alongside Bitcoin just the past couple minutes. Really, guys, this price action has really broken out in Bitcoin within the past couple minutes. Just been a lot of volatility, right? You guys can see these bigger candles starting to break down, and the rest of the market just starting to break down right alongside Bitcoin, because again, we're creating this nasty McDonald's M, had 2 rejections off of this top range right here. And that is can cause a little bit of fear in the market. So again, not a surprise that we are starting to see the trickle down effects of that. Might start to eat up some of the gains that we were even seeing earlier today. Even things like Ethereum starting to see a little bit of red now, right? In the past hour, a lot of these coins starting to turn red as confidence decreases going into the weekend, going into Sunday. I'm wondering, are we going to see another red week, or are we going to see a little bit of green? Again, we are breaking above that 84. We tried to secure that 86. We failed at it twice now. We failed at it 3 times now, actually. Created this nasty McDonald's M. This is not a very good pattern at all to see happening on the one-day chart. Again, we are still creating this wedge here. We're still creating higher lows, technically. So, again, maybe just a little bit too soon to say. But definitely not out of the woods with Bitcoin yet. Market feeling the volatility as a result. I want to know what your guys' price predictions are. Do you guys think that Bitcoin will see a recovery in April? Do you guys think that this recovery is going to take a little longer? Do you guys think it's going to take us maybe into, I don't know, like August? I've heard some people talking about August. I've heard people talking about April. I've heard people talking about March as well. We've seen this thing correct multiple times. It's definitely not the first time Bitcoin has seen a correction, right? We corrected down here back in March when we dropped all the way from 75 all the way down to 52 before seeing a big run up. Are we going to see something similar, right? Bitcoin coming all the way at like 105 or something like that, dropping all the way down, now dropping all the way to 85. It was at 78, and I was saying already, I don't know how much further we're going to go down. Really have no idea, right? Bitcoin looking very volatile, and usually we don't see these types of big parabolic moves, but we do sometimes see them, right? We also talked about that 7-day chart, right? Definitely paying attention to it as well, because 7-day chart, if you guys see our Keltner channel, we're just barely starting to break above it, but what we don't want is to start breaking back down below it. Again, you guys could see last time we retested some of these levels, it was kind of hard for us to break up above, right? We create this resistance and it gets tough. So hopefully Bitcoin can stay healthy and continue running on. Bitcoin does decide it wants to drop down and retest this 84 range. I would be concerned that Bitcoin's going to see another sell-off and possibly test down lower into these bottom ranges down here again in the 80. lower 80, 79, 78 range, possibly. We'll see what happens, guys. Again, I want to know, I value you guys' opinions just like you value mine. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think Bitcoin's going to do. Also, what are your price predictions for Toshi? You guys could see, again, coming in at number 5 on Dex Tools. Week in and week out, it just seems like everybody's watching Toshi, just like everybody's watching Bitcoin. I'm going to keep giving you guys the news on it. If you're not already subscribed, again, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. I'm exhausted, guys. I'm going to go watch this fight. Let me know who you guys got on the fight. If you guys are watching the fight, also let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.